I want to talk to you guys about amplifier power and how sometimes you need a lot more power than you realize, especially when it comes to bass. So these are my reference speakers, the RBH Sound SVTRS. They have 4 12-inch subwoofers per speaker, 3 8-inch mid-bass drivers, and then this big AMT tweeter. I've got 1500 watts going to the subs on each speaker, 500 going to the mids, 250 going to the tweeters. Under most normal listening conditions, this is actually enough power to drive my system to satisfactory levels and get tons of bass, especially because I've got 3 other subwoofers in the room, including a 21-inch infrasonic sub with a 2 kilowatt amp. But the problem is when I hit reference levels on very dynamic Atmos tracks, I noticed that my amplifier was clipping on my front subs. I do have LFE going to those subs, and this is an 8-channel RBH amp, so 3 of the channels share a power supply per unit, and as a result, I was clipping the amp because it was running out of headroom. So my solution now is to add more power. I'm adding a 2 kilowatt monoblock to each of these subwoofers behind me, and that's going to greatly reduce the problems I was having with power sag, give me much more headroom. So now I can hit reference levels without the amplifiers clipping. And I know it was amplifier clipping and not the driver's clipping. I could tell the difference audibly. So the bottom line, guys, is if you try to hit reference levels in a big room like this is a 5,000 cubic foot room, and you've got full LFE and full bass going to your towers, you need a lot of power going to these subs, especially when you got 4 12-inch drivers in parallel like I do here. I'm looking forward to doing this amplifier upgrade, giving you guys updates, and letting you know how the bass kicks after I do all this. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumb up, hit subscribe, and until next time, my friends, keep listening.